I'm Marvela, and today we're in Rio de Janeiro, a city that dances, shines, and really grabs your heart. Let's check out my favorite spots in Brazil's most magical city. First up, Pau de Açúcar, that's Sugarloaf Mountain. Take the cable car up just before the sun comes up, and you'll see Rio wake up in beautiful pink and gold colors. It's one of the most famous views in the whole world. And you can't miss Cristo Redentor, the Christ the Redeemer statue. Even if you've seen it in tons of pictures, nothing is like seeing it for real, right there. It's more than just a big statue. It's like the heart of the city, watching over everything. What's next? The beaches, Copacabana and Ipanema. Think warm water, golden sand, and a beat that just keeps going. When the sun goes down behind the hills here, everyone claps. It's like real magic at the beach. Want to see some art? Santa Teresa is the place to go. You'll find colorful tiles, old-fashioned streetcars, and music playing on every street corner. Get yourself a yummy caipirinha, relax, and just soak it all in. And hey, don't forget to try the street food here in Rio. Things like pastel, yummy pão de queijo, that's cheese bread, grilled cheese on a stick, and açaí that's like a super tasty dessert and gives you lots of energy, all in one bowl. Rio is more than just a city. It's a special feeling. It's loud, it's lively, and it's full of music and bright colors. From the tall mountains to the rolling ocean waves, I'm Marvela, and this truly is the marvelous city.